Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Ups again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial today, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your American Express personal savings account online. And now, without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to log into your American Express personal savings account, first open up your preferred browser, as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, click over there and type in American Express.com like this and hit enter. And after that, you'll be landed on this page where you can see the my account option over here. Click on my account and you can see the savings account available over here. Click on savings account, and after that you can see the login with savings account or your Amex account. Let's go with the savings account. You'll be first required to enter your username over here, and after that enter your password over here and click on login to sign into your American Express personal savings account. Or if you have forgotten your username or your password, simply click on forgot your username or forgot password available over here to go through a procedure to retrieve your username or password. And then guys, this is how you log into your American Express personal savings account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.